What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Huawei Watch Fit, a smartwatch with us. This is Huawei's latest smartwatch and in this video we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device, its design, all of its highlighted features, specs, along with the usual unboxing stuff. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. So here on the front side, you can see that we got an image of the Huawei Watch Fit and few of the features that it comes with: an animated fitness coach, long battery life, 1.64-inch AMOLED display. On the back, we got few more information regarding the hardware specs and features that it comes with: 96 workout modes, scientific workout guidance, full health monitoring, built-in GPS, and this is 5 ATM water resistant as well. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we go. Here is the Huawei Watch Fit. Let's see what else we got inside. So here we got the user manual, the quick start guide, and here is the USB cable. We got nothing here and we got nothing here as well. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Huawei Watch Fit: the smartwatch, the charging cable, and the quick start guide. So here is the Huawei Watch Fit smartwatch. Let's switch it on. So right now I have to go through the settings first to set up the device, and it's going to take a bit time, so I'm going to make a separate video for setting up the Huawei Watch Fit, how to configure it to use all of its features to get the best out of your device. But in this video I'm just going to skip that part. So the setup is finished. Now everything is done. First of all, let's remove this film here and have a look on the device. So now let's talk about the design. This is the first ever smartwatch by Huawei in a rectangular shape. So far, Huawei was launching the smartwatches with round and circular design, so this is a unique one in terms of design if you are talking about Huawei only. So here we got a graphite black watch fit with a black silicone strap. So on the front side we got a 1.64-inch 3D curved screen. So here you can see that we got a bit of bezel, but because of the display and the background, it's nearly invisible. And here you can get the idea of the 3D curved edges of the display. So it looks beautiful and gives very premium look to Huawei Watch Fit for sure. It's 30 mm in width, 10.7 mm in thickness, and it weighs just 21 grams without the strap. And if you got the silicone strap, then even with the strap it won't weigh much and it feels really lightweight while holding it. So you will be able to wear it 24/7 without feeling any discomfort. So here on the silicone strap we got the Huawei branding. On the right side we got the multifunctional key. On the left side there is nothing, and on the back side we got a set of sensors and the connection points for charger. And this is one of the drawbacks of the design of Huawei Watch Fit, that it comes with a special charging solution. So this is the spot where you will have to connect this special charger that comes in the retail box of Huawei Watch Fit. And as you can see that it is pretty unique, and in some cases if it is broken or you lost it, you will have to buy a new one. The body of Huawei Watch Fit comes with matte finish and it looks quite premium and beautiful from every angle. So in terms of design, Huawei Watch Fit is gorgeous. The build quality is nice, the design is so good, the 3D curved display looks beautiful and premium, and it comes with a very minimalistic look. It's just nearly 11 mm thick and is quite lightweight as well. The only drawback is that it comes with a special charging solution, so you will have to keep the cable provided in the retail box safe and secure. And now let's talk about the display. Huawei Watch Fit comes with 1.64-inch AMOLED display with 280 x 456 pixels resolution. And even though it does not sound much, the PPI you are going to get is 326 because of the good screen to body ratio, and due to this high PPI the display quality is so nice. And here you can see that how nice is the display of Huawei Watch Fit. I just changed the wallpaper and used an image in the background to give you an idea that how sharp is the display quality. And due to the 3D curved screen, the viewing angles are quite nice as well, as you can see here right in front of you. And now let's talk about the features. So as you can see that this is the home screen. If you just swipe up, you can get the notification card. Here we got the heart rate card, the stress card, we got the weather widget, the music player that you can control right from your Huawei Watch Fit. Here we got the pedometer data and physical activity information, and this is the home screen. If you swipe from the top, then here you will get the quick settings and options that you can perform right from the home screen instead of going to the setting. Now if you press this multifunctional button here, so you will go to the menu. So here we got workout records. If you go to the workout, you can see we got lots of options. So the first one is fitness courses, and we got 12 different courses. Even for running, we got 13 different courses. And then we got outdoor, indoor run, outdoor walk, lots and lots of options are there. And you can even add additional ones. So if you tap on this, here we got a strength training for the gym goers, spinning, stepper, HIIT is there, aerobics, group training, yoga. So this is so nice. We got even for the martial arts like taekwondo, karate, belly dancing is there as well. And then we got core training. So you can see that we got lots and lots of them, and even some freestyle fun exercises like street dance, roller skating is there. This is so good. This is an endless list of physical activities that are covered on Huawei Watch Fit. So if you are a fitness lover, then I guess this is a great device, a great smartwatch for you for sure. So if you go back from here to workout records, here you will find all of your workout records. In the workout status, it will show the data. Right now it's all empty, as you can see, because I performed nothing using this device. And then we got heart rate monitoring, SpO2 monitoring, we got activity records. Once again, this is showing the physical activity of the day, the pedometer data and everything. You can see how many detail we are going to get using this feature. And then we got the sleep monitoring, stress monitoring, breathing exercise you can do here as well. After that, this is the music player that we have seen on the home screen. You can use Huawei Watch Fit for remote shutter as well. I'm going to cover all of these features, a detailed walkthrough how to use all of them, what are the functionality, in another video where I will do the setup of Huawei Watch Fit and all of the customization, as I said in the very beginning of this video, and I will cover the complete features walkthrough and how to use them as well. So if you are interested in this device, then do not forget to watch that video as well. For that, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the notification when the video is live. So here we got the notification, weather, we got a stopwatch, timer, alarm, we got flashlight as well. As you can see, it's pretty bright. And then we got find phone option. If you go to the settings, once again you will get the option to customize the display. We got some options to change the watch face. If you go to advanced, here you will get the option to keep the screen on for a while or sleep. All of these settings we can do. We can set the strength of vibration, DND, workout settings is there as well, where you can start the auto detection of the workouts. And then we got system and about section. So as you can see that in terms of features and options, Huawei Watch Fit is a very feature-rich device, especially when it comes to physical activities and workouts. It comes with 96 different workout modes and 12 different workout animations. The only thing is, this is the custom OS by Huawei and you cannot install any third-party application on this like the Wear OS. And actually I like this because here you are going to get all of the essential features that you can use, instead of the Wear OS that comes with lots of extra additional applications consuming the RAM and memory and slowing down the smartwatch. Here you won't feel that issue. So everything is there that you need in your daily life that you can use on your smartwatch. The only thing is you don't have the facility to install third-party application, and that's why you cannot reply to the text messages, but you can always get the notification from every single application that you got on your smartphone, whether it's social media, messages, phone calls, etc. And talking about the watch faces, here we got lots of watch faces that you can use on your Huawei Watch Fit. I will also make a separate video that how you can install more watch faces on your Watch Fit. So do not forget to watch it as well. So at the first glance, Huawei Watch Fit is looking a great smartwatch in every aspect. The design is very beautiful and premium looking. The build quality is nice. The only drawback is that it comes with a special charging solution. The AMOLED display is just too gorgeous and it looks very beautiful. In terms of features and options, Huawei Watch Fit is very feature-rich. It comes with lots and lots of options that you can use in your daily life for improved productivity. And when it comes to fitness and workout activities, then Huawei Watch Fit is just too good, as it comes with nearly 100 different workout modes that you can use on this device. So it does not matter what kind of physical activities you are in, you will find it on Huawei Watch Fit for sure. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.